Hi everybody, I am ViSeier, Senior Software Developer and Trainer. Today we are going to discussing about how to create the database, in the database how to create the table in SQL Server Management Studio. So initially I will open the SQL Server Management Studio. You can type SSMS or SQL Server Management Studio. Double click on it. It will be opened. So here I click on connect. So Windows authentication I connected. Today I will going to show graphically how to create it. In the next video I will show you how to create the database and tables through queries. Okay. So here graphically how to create it. Right click on databases. Here click on new database. You can give any database name. For example, here I give the database name invoice. So here two types of files will be created. One is invoice primary, second one is log file. So in the invoices, actually the database it is log. What it is, we will discuss in the further videos clearly about these two types of files. Okay, currently I will give the database name. Okay, click on OK. So the database is created. So in the SQL Server, so all are we creating the databases. In the databases, we are creating the number of tables, views, whatever it is we want, we are creating those things. In other databases like Oracle, MySQL, directly we are creating the tables. But here we are creating the databases. Inside the database, we are creating the tables. Here I want to create the table. Right click on this tables folder, click on new, then click on table. So here whatever the column names you want you can give. For example, here I give customer code. It is a type of nvarchar 50, and here I give the customer name. So nvarchar 50 is the type of string type information we are giving here. So in the data types concept we are clearly discussing about these things. Currently name or string kind of information we are giving nvarchar. The size is 50. So I give the column names. Okay, both are allowing nulls. If you unselect this, so those are not allowing nulls. But here I can able to allow the nulls while selecting that column. Okay, to save this table, Control S. Here I give the table name TBL customers. Click on OK. Expand it. So here you can able to see that dbo.tbl customers. SQL Server tables extension .dbo. Extension is available in the first, then dot, then table name will be appear in the later. So dbo in the sense database object. If it is not able to display here, you can refresh, that will be appear. The table is created successfully. Now we want columns in the table now. So already we are creating the columns. You can able to see here customer code, customer name. That is how we are creating the table and database. In that columns we need to enter the data. How to enter the data? Right click on this table, go to here, edit top 200 rows. So here I give the information 101. Then here I give my name Vijay. Okay. Then I give 1002. Here I give the name Krishna. Click on enter. After enter, the data will be stored in the table. Now close this, then close this. So if you want to see that, right click on it. Again you select this edit top 200 rows. See the data will be displayed here. If you want to see the design of the table, design in the sense what are the columns, type of the columns, you can able to see here. Whatever we closed previously, that will be appear here. That is how we can create it. Now in this, if you want to update anything, instead of Krishna, here I will give the ViSeier, then enter. So ViSeier is updated. If you want to delete this row, right click on it, then click on delete. So then click on yes, that will be deleted. In this session, we are discussing how to create the database, how to create the table, how to create the columns in the table. In the table, how to enter the data, how to update the data, how to delete the data. Okay, here enter the data in the sense inserting the data into the database table. That is in this session. In the next session, these things how to create through queries. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next video.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be